This is gonna be a fast tutorial right here. Okay, you gotta follow. Okay, get your clip ready, just like your final edit. You wanna add borders to it? Okay, let's go. Control Y. Okay, didn't work. Okay, one more time. Control Y. Boom, make it solid. Any color you want. I like my borders black, so I'll do that. You add CC draws. It comes with After Effects, and this plugin is called FX Console, and it's free to use, so you should download it. Just search up FX Console and download it. Okay, there. You have it down. Like, whoa, nothing happened. No, you didn't do anything yet. So you go to completion, put it up. I usually put mine at 78, like that. But you're like, it's spiky. It's not a real border. Shut up, bro. Just go to height. Height. You see height? Yeah, you see it, right? 0. Boom. There it is. That's your border. You just see, you did it. You can do like animations by pressing this key, like this. Make a keyframe on completion. Go forward. Make it close. So you did it. Yeah, it's not that hard. You got it. All right. That was a quick tutorial on how to do borders, but yeah, I got you, bro.